Welcome. In today's video, we're going to be doing the Evil Unicorn. It's like the unicorn, but it's evil. Here's what you'll need to draw your Evil Unicorn. A HB pencil, a black marker to outline, a rubber, we're using this rainbow rubber, and some neon markers. Let's get started. Draw the Evil Unicorn. Step 1, draw the horn. Step 2, draw the head. Step 3, draw the eyes and the ears. Step 4, the body. Step 5, the hair and feet. And step 6, outline and color. We're going to outline and color it now, and let's do a transition. And it's done. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a subscribe, a like, and turn on that notification bell. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!